All right, guys, welcome back. I feel like I feel like my intro is kind of messed up. Like I forgot what I normally say. And I think the past couple of videos I filmed today, I've just kind of winged it. So welcome back. Today, I figured I would bring you kind of an update on my subscription box situation, because I did a video about this maybe a few months ago, about like the subscription boxes that I currently have and the ones that I used to have and why I let go of them and stuff like that. And I figured, you know what, maybe just every month I'll just bring you my unboxing of these. And I thought about maybe like using some of the products while doing it, but of course we got home late this week, so there was no time for that today. But I figured if you guys are interested in seeing what I get every month, let me know. So today I want to bring you my BOXYCHARM and my Allure subscription box unboxings for both of them. I feel like they're kind of comparable, at least in terms of price. The Allure is $15, the BOXYCHARM is $21. Although the overall quality, wow, what's the word I'm looking for? Value. The overall value of BOXYCHARM is typically higher than Allure. But both of them for me are kind of a mixed bag. For most BOXYCHARMs, I end up liking at least half of the products. Sometimes I'll like 4 out of the 5 products. I think last month I ended up liking everything, but that was the first time. And then for Allure, it is extremely hit or miss for me. The first month I liked a little bit more than half. In February, I think it was like a complete like throwaway box for me. Like I didn't actually throw it away, but I ended up just giving everything to one of my friends. And then March, I actually ended up really liking. There was only one item that I didn't like out of there, and then now I have my April box. So I figured let's just go over it. We'll do that one first, because I have kind of a little bit of a gripe. So this is the one that Carly Bible curated, and it comes in this pouch, and this is the same thing that happened with my first month's pouch. It's completely ripped open on the side, so it's not like you can reuse this pouch. Like, it's a throwaway. I would almost rather they didn't even give it to you in these pouches, because they're just like, half the time they rip open, you know? So here's what I got in mine. I have this Vita Liberata Phenomenal organic tan infused cloth. That's going to be going to a friend, because I really don't self-tan, like, ever. I used to do it, but now I don't have the time, and I don't really feel the urge to. So next I have Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. I don't have good luck with Briogeo stuff. Like, I've tried several things, and it just doesn't seem to love my hair. However, I will try this since I do blow dry once a week. I'll try it the next time I blow dry and see how it is. Next up, I have a Luxie brush, which I love Luxie. This is a small tapered blending, which is perfect because I have like a kind of larger, fluffier blending brush, and I love it. It's one of my favorites. So I'm super excited about this. So next up we have Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Pure Hollywood, which is, I feel like, a little bit of a weird shade to put in here, because it's probably not the most flattering on a lot of people. Looking at this, like, oh girl, that's like, for me, that's like concealer lips almost. So I feel like I'll probably either have to use this to mix with other stuff or just give it away to a friend. But I already tried one Anastasia lipstick and I did not like it. So I don't think I love the formula on this. I'm going to count that as like not a good one, because I don't really think that I'll get much use out of it. Next up, I have a Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Eyeliner. So this is like a dark forest green color. It's different. It's different. I might actually use that. because I don't have a whole lot of eyeliners. I typically just keep like a brown and a black, so this is kind of different. And then the last thing that I have in here is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow, which I feel like everyone was like the most excited for. I have mine in 124 karat bronze age. What the hell kind of a name is that? Here's what it looks like. It's just honestly a basic bronze. Do a little, whoa, okay. Well, she did not come to play. That's very intensely bronze. Okay, I might get some use out of that actually. And it comes in a nice single thing. It's not like a cheap cardboard thingy. So of the, wow, that eyeliner is really sticking around. Of the Allure one, love the brush and the eyeshadow and the liner. I'll definitely use those three. The tan towel and the Anastasia, probably not going to use. And I'll try the Briogeo, so it's pretty much like a 2/3 or a half like versus dislike on that one. So let's go into the BOXYCHARM now. I was pretty excited for this one based on what they said, you know, was like the spoilers. So the first thing, more Luxie brushes. I'm so excited about this. This is a Summer Days brush set. It comes with a large shader, a small shader, and a small contouring. I don't have any of these from Luxie already, so that's like perfect. Let's just take them out. I haven't even taken any of these out of the thing yet. Ooh, they're pretty. Look at that. Oh, I love it. This feels nice. I could definitely use that as contour. I could always use little shader brushes like this. And this feels nice. Okay. Okay, Luxie. Okay, BOXYCHARM. Not bad. I'm excited about that. I love that I got basically 4 new Luxie brushes this month, which is awesome. Then I got a Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Let me just tell you a funny story. Whenever I first started getting subscription boxes for makeup, I got a Cella thing in a Birchbox, I think, and it just said like highlighter, you know, like highlighter pencil. And this is whenever I was just really starting to like get into makeup. And I had no idea that Cella was more of like an eyebrow type of, you know, product company. So I just saw, okay, highlighting pencil, awesome. And it was, dude, it was like this, like just wooden pencil, kind of this size, and had like a white-ish kind of a little bit shimmery, but like almost more like a satin, you know, kind of finish to it. And it was very, very waxy. And dude, I took that all over my face. I was putting it like on my cheekbones. I was putting it down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow. I was putting it on my inner corner. I don't even know what to say. Like, I was like blending it out with my fingers and stuff, and I'm like, this is kind of like waxy and stuff. You know, it's a little bit hard to move around, but I like the way that it looks. I'm so embarrassed for me. So this is weird. It looks like that. I haven't used this yet. It has a little like eyebrow brush on it. This might work. I mean, it does say taupe, so I'd like to think that it would be kind of a universal shade. So I'm kind of excited about that. I have an Appeal holographic lip gloss. This looks a little bit intense. I don't know if I'm gonna love this or not. Let me just see what it smells like. It doesn't smell like anything. I mean, it looks like it may not be that bad. It's a little bit not too sticky. So we'll see. I might just use it like as a lip topper or something, which I'm sure is probably what they mean it for. And then I got an Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Purple Dream. You guys know I love purple, so yes, please and thank you. Ooh, I had not opened this until just now, and it looks gold. This looks extremely gold. I've never tried an Artist Couture thingy, so I'm kind of like, okay, let's see what this is all about. That just went literally everywhere. So that's amazing. So, oh, well, that is different. Let me just see if I can put a little in the back of my hand and we'll see what it looks like. This is a struggle. I'm trying not to get it everywhere. Okay. So there it is right there. Oh, you guys, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. This seems weird. Like, after rubbing it in, I feel like you can't see it at all. It just rubbed away. Like, I don't know about that, you guys. I don't know about that. And it doesn't really look purple. So, oh. Now, on my finger, that looks purple. But weirdly, none of it is like going on my skin. So I don't know what's up with that. I have a feeling this will be going to a friend. Because loose highlighters aren't really my thing. But I figured, oh, it's purple, you know. I don't know. Was I out of focus that whole freaking time? Probably. Whatever. Anyway, last product for my BOXYCHARM. Oh. I think I had box variation 8 BTW in case you were wondering. The last one is the Pure Festival eyeshadow palette. This is super pretty. I'm not sure how much I would actually use these colors though. I mean, maybe everything except these, but then you just have like a basic neutral palette. You know what I'm saying? So then it's kind of like, well, what's the point? These two are though pressed glitters, so I might play around with those a little bit and see. For me though, I feel like once I kind of play around with it and see if I like it, this will probably end up going to a friend. So 3 possibles, and then 2 that may be going to somebody else. So I mean, that's, I feel like, how my BOXYCHARMs usually go. So I'm usually happy if I like at least half of the products. So not bad. There you go. Let me know if you guys liked your boxes this month, if you subscribed to either one of these. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye.